Welcome back to another video, guys. Today this is part 6 of the Integra restoration. If you haven't seen the other ones, I suggest you do that. This is in continuation to the last time I was talking about all the self-tappers. Like I just showed, there was a ton. That was the traction bar, and I already started working. This piece on the horn was an absolute nightmare trying to get off. I don't know what had it stuck so much, but I ended up cutting so much off of it. This one and the other side was also pretty tough, but not as bad as this one. I don't know what was going on with it. But I was able to get it off, as you're seeing here, with a lot of persuasion, if you will. I also cleaned this up a little bit just because I'm probably going to use one of these bolt holes to bolt up to the bar that I make for the front end. As you can tell, I accidentally cut off a little too much. That's why I was like sitting there pondering a little bit. Also, don't mind this little funky angle. Definitely didn't think about that when I was recording this. The piece I'm looking at right now had a little fold in it. Not the one that I'm messing with, but a little farther up towards the fender. It has a little fold, so I gotta figure out what to do about that. There's also a little crease farther back that I had to weld up. There's gonna be some clips of me welding and grinding. There's tons of body filler, so I ended up replacing pretty much all of it with weld, so it's like solid metal. Here's that body filler I was talking about. It totally coated my camera, or I would have recorded a little bit more of me taking it off, but as you can see, everything got all messed up after that. This is the start of me like welding up some of that crease. There was a bunch of like divots and weird stuff, so I just filled a bunch of it, honestly, and then I kept grinding it down and then filling it and then grinding it down just to make sure it was like nice and smooth, because I'm trying to have this engine bay look real nice. This process definitely took forever, so it's probably going to be a pretty boring video to look at, but I'll try to do my best to explain a couple things and talk over most of it. So pretty much all I'm doing right now is grinding down the metal and getting rid of the paint just to get it ready to weld. When they welded this new horn on, they cut it too small for what they needed. So I ended up having to weld what they didn't, if that makes any sense. But here's me finally welding it up. It was super thin, so I kind of had to take breaks in between each tack. But I did end up getting it pretty decent. I had to go through and grind all the welds down, of course, because it would look kind of weird just to leave a weld right there and everything else be smooth. Also, I probably should have cleaned off the other side because it kept lighting on fire, which you could see me like wave my glove. Actually, no, I didn't think I had a mask on that time. I blew it out, but yeah. This is right after I ground everything down, and then I started welding some more just because there's some more lines and I was trying to get them all out. Then I ground everything down flat, and I'm pretty positive I started welding on it again just to get rid of like all the imperfections, and I want to use the least amount of body filler possible, so that's why I'm putting so much weld. As you can tell, it's like super back and forth. It's just welding, grinding, welding, grinding. I know it's a crappy video, I'm sorry, but I just kind of wanted to show the process. just started getting the motor ready to come out just because I think I needed more room to do something on the horn. And then I was showing my instructor some of my work, and then on the other side of the horn I had a weld as well, so I was working on the inside, but now I had to do the outside. Here you can see I was just using a wire brush to get rid of all the oil and crud that was on there. It's kind of like a mix between oil and dirt. And now that I'm thinking about it, I definitely should have put the camera somewhere else so you could see exactly what I was doing. I don't know, I'm not sure what I was thinking when I was recording this. Over here there's like a ton of body filler. You could see all the dust coming off. That's why I put a mask on and stuff, just because there was so much. After I got all that body filler taken out, I started welding again just to get the rest of it done. And finally, some other stuff besides stupid welding and grinding. Getting the motor ready to come out right now. You can see I have the stand set up and everything. I got all the wires disconnected. I'm undoing the motor mounts and stuff. Yeah, it's pretty much ready to come out. The front end being off makes it way easy. So I pretty much just lift the car up just a little bit and it slides forward. Simple as that. Only took me a couple minutes to disconnect everything, undo the motor mounts, and it pulls right out. But that's going to be pretty much it for this video, guys. Sorry about the boring visuals. I promise the next video is going to be a lot better. And thanks for watching.